Alrighty, everybody, it's Michael Alder here from the landflippingformula.com. We just added another wholesale deal to our really cheap land site. And if you look in the description below this video, there will be a link for that so you can see our current deals on here. But right now we have Baxter County, Arkansas. We have 1/3 of an acre available, the parcel number, the legal description, the GPS coordinates. And if you're interested in exploring the area, just put the Google Earth app onto your phone, punch in these coordinates here, and you'll be able to see where this parcel sits and some things in the area that you could do as well. Now, simple seller financing terms, only $25 down, $12.50 a month for 96 months. If you wanted to move forward with investing in this parcel, just click the Buy It Now button. This will take you to the checkout page. You fill that out, and then within 24 hours, we'll have a contract emailed over to you to be signed and sent back to us. And then from there, you could start using your parcel, or you could just keep it in your portfolio for future appreciation, or even sublease it to create some cash flow for yourself. So if you're wondering about Baxter County, Arkansas, a couple things to do here. It looks like a big fishing town. You got the Fisherman's Lodge, boat dock. We have caverns you could explore, the brewing company, trout guide. So lots of outdoor explorations, and looks like some good restaurants and caverns as well. So some cool things in the area, it looks like. So you came back over here. And like I said, if you wanted to add this to your portfolio, either as a personal property to go ahead and camp on and just do the outdoors thing, or just to leverage a super affordable property and create future appreciation or cash flow, you can go ahead and click the Buy It Now. Comment below with any questions about this property. I'll be happy to answer them. And if you are interested in investing in raw land and building a massive portfolio, go ahead and check out the landflippingformula.com. It's only $25. It's a digital course. It'll show how to buy and hold properties or how to buy and sell property for profits. Just click the Buy It Now button here, and that'll be sent over to you immediately. Once again, thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next